Welcome to the SHOT Show. My name is Stefano Pedersoli and today I'm proud to introduce the new lever action Hunter Light. Starting from the 1886, we realized on Hunter a lighter version of the rifle in a 45-70 and 444 Marlin, with a shorter barrel, just 22 inch, and the magazine with a capacity of 3 ammunition. Same quality of the 1886. Everything is made in by CNC machine, a barrel rifled by broaching, a forged frame, and the stock made by American walnut. It's a lighter version, it's just 3.4 kilos, as a good choice for the hunter that want to have a big bore rifle, easy to bring during the hunting activity.